All right, just a quick job I wanted to get done before it's not too late, but it'll give me an early crop. These can't go out until past the last frosts, but I want to start them now. Actually, I think I need more potatoes, so I possibly will go shopping for more potatoes this weekend because I haven't got a main crop here, but I've got enough to get me started. And I like to do things in batches because otherwise I don't, then I won't become overwhelmed with the task and just not do it. So these are my first earlies. So these will crop earliest and be smaller, like salad potatoes. And then these will follow on and probably be similar. And then you get your main crop, which are your big baked potatoes or your roast potatoes or whatever. So I'm going to start these on. It's only a small bag. Actually, I thought I bought more, strangely. But obviously I didn't. All you need to do, and they're already started, look at that, they're great. I'm just going to pop them in here and water them. Until I could get some more of those, really. Because I could fill up that packet, really. That's it, really. Do the second packet. Just actually just leave that there so I remember what they are. Same with that one. And this is March, so it's March 8th today. You can start these in the greenhouse in Feb, but they are susceptible to frost, so they can't go out until the frost has passed. And so what you want is to get some decent growth on these, which they already seem to have, really. A couple more inches, we'll give it till the end. We'll basically have them here monitoring them until the last frost, which is for me reliably mid-April. Yeah, so the last frost is kind of mid-April here. I don't know if other people wet them, but I've noticed when I've done them on the window ledge before, they've just wrinkled and died. So I'm going to wet them. Wet the packaging of it. And then, in about a month's time, I will, because it's coming up towards mid-March now. It's, what did I say, the 8th, 9th. So, okay, a bit early, but around 15th of April, we'll come back to these and I will pot them up. And normally, if you were growing potatoes in pots, you'd probably want something, a bit wider. But then again, if you have something a bit bigger, you can put 2 potatoes in and give you a nice crop. So all I will do to account for the fact this is just slightly smaller, but I've got loads of them, is I'll just plant one of these in each of these. And then each time I want, a crop of potatoes, I'll just tip a bucket out when they're done. So that's me doing potatoes. So there you go. Just as a quick experiment, I'm also going to, these were from, I don't know what supermarket, these were from Aldi. So they're Aldi potatoes, made in Britain, so we know that they can grow in Britain, in our climate. I think they're called Electra variety. So what I'll do is I'll just pop a couple of those. I don't know which way they're going to want to grow. It looks like they're going to want to grow. Let's put them on their side because I don't know. That one is obviously pretty self-explanatory. And let's see how they do. Got a bit of scabbing there, but that's probably due to watering the packet there, so I know what they are. And we'll see how they compare.